Alright guys, welcome back to my low budget filming. Today we're going to look and see if this is a good item. Now, I thought about this before, and this is the Wiper Restore. You know, as you guys will see here in a few minutes, how bad my wife's wipers are. And I thought, you know, I've bought the good windshield wipers, I've bought the cheapest windshield wipers, and everything in between. And honestly, I'm going to say, in my opinion, the best windshield wipers are the middle grade ones. I buy usually the Rain-X ones. You know, they're middle grade. They're about $11 or $12 a piece. But, you know, I thought there's got to be an easier way, you know, because after a while they go bad and you're just throwing them away. So I thought, is there something that you can restore them with? Well, this piece of equipment right here is supposed to be able to do that. Now, I've never used it. You see it's still in the package. I just got it. We're going to go out here and we're going to try it. But first, I want you to listen to these wipers, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, here's the windshield wipers before I fix them. Let's see what they sound like. All right, as you can hear, they are freaking terrible. So we're going to take us out. I'm going to read you real quick what to do. Here's are the using steps is what it says. Fold down wipers and use a damp, clean sponge thoroughly. First, use the guide. Number 1. Choice and push on the wiper lip. 3. Watch the arrow direction. 4. Draw with an equal press the wiper restore over the entire wiper lip. 6. After cutting against the wiper, clean with a damp sponge. So we're going to take it out there. I'm going to show you again in the dry right now what it sounds like, and then we'll try these with it and we'll see what it sounds like. Here you go. As you guys have heard, that's what it sounds like. Alright, so I went ahead and I wiped them off. As you can see, the water's dripping here. Got this thing already set. We're going to go ahead and we're going to use this and see what happens. I will have to probably put this down to see how it works, but we'll go ahead and give it a try real quick and see what happens. All right, here goes nothing. Let's see. All right. Not sure if you can see it or not, but here is the end result. See if I can see it this way a little bit better. You got a little piece that I did cut off, so I'm kind of impressed so far. We'll go ahead and try the other one real quick and see what happens. All right, same thing here. I'll go ahead and clean this up real quick. Fold this over, put this on, and I'll take it down. All right, that didn't do anything. Let's try it again. I think I had it on there backwards. There we go. I had it on there wrong. So what you got to do, I'll show you in a second. I did have it on there wrong. I see what I did now. Okay. Same thing. I got all of this off. So I did have it on wrong. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, because it's so damn cold outside, it's really cold. It's like 21 degrees outside right now. But as you see, this has a kind of like, it's shaped exactly like the windshield wiper. So it slides in that track right here where my fingernail is. This finger. It actually slides right in that track, and you have to get in that groove. If you don't get in that groove, as you saw, it kind of stutters a little bit. That's the only way to do it. So, and this is the front. From what I've seen so far, this is definitely the front. So you want to put it in there like that and pull it across there. And I will say it seemed to be pretty good. We're going to turn it on here. We're going to see if indeed it does sound any different. Should, because on the very edge when I did cut it off, it was pretty hard. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. We'll see. All right, let's go ahead and give it a listen and see if it does sound any different. Very curious. Here we go. Ooh. Let's see here. not so sure that that actually... I'm not so sure that is actually any better. It didn't... I mean, honestly, it cleaned a little bit better. But I don't think that it is a quality item. So I'm going to say that is not a good thing to buy. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I wish I could say that it was an amazing product. But you guys see right here, I'll show you. I don't know if you can really tell or not, but right there, it missed all of that water. And right there, missed all, well, not the water, but the blue fluid. It missed all of that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but it missed quite a bit. Now, I'm not saying that it, you know, didn't clean better, because it did clean better where it cleaned good at. It cleaned good, so. But it still is not like brand new windshield wipers. Luckily, I bought an extra pair of windshield wipers so I can put them on there, because, yeah, that probably will have to go back, because it's just not the quality at where I thought it would be. So, I think that's a bust. I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out. I mean, it's pretty cheap. I was really hopeful that it would be good, but not so good. So I'll leave the link down below. You can check it out. But you saw here firsthand that it was really a bust. Like I said, it does clean better. It's just noisy still. When you put new windshield wipers on, which I'm going to do here in a second, you will hear and see the difference. I'll show you here in a second. Now, if your spouse or whatever is on you about buying cheap windshield wipers or really excellent, expensive windshield wipers, I'm going to tell you what, I've tried them all, and I'm not even exaggerating. These have really held up. And they're not even that expensive, really. I mean, don't get me wrong, they are expensive, but they're not that bad. I'm getting ready to put them on, and you guys will hear the difference between the two. You heard what those sounded like a second ago. Now listen to these. All right, that took me like less than 3 minutes, thank God, because it is blistering cold outside. Anyway, so let me show you what it sounds like now. That's the way it's supposed to sound. Oh, I got a stick in there, see? I have to get that stick out. But you can hear nothing. No sound whatsoever. You see, I got my microphone right up against it. Nothing. I was really, really hopeful on that wiper restore, but as we both seen, you and me, it really is not what it's cracked up to be. So, having said that, if you guys want to see how to put windshield wipers on, check up here in the corner. There'll be a video coming up. You guys will see how to put them on. The way that I recommend doing it, the way I just did a second ago, it took me less than 3 minutes. And here I am doing this video. So, like I said, links will be down for that thing if you want to check it out. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.